Welcome to York County Community College. I'm Michael Lee, the department head for the Digital Media program. We have 3 programs to choose from: a digital media degree, a digital media degree with an animation concentration, and digital media degree with a graphic design concentration. Our 3 degrees are very similar in that they make use of the current digital media technology and techniques that are used in today's industry, with the subtle differences being that our digital media degree is more of a general degree that gives you small samplings of different techniques and tools and softwares that are used in the industry, allowing you to take a trip further down the road into an area of specialization that you might discover during your time here using the techniques and tools and softwares that we'll teach you. Animation is obviously focused more on an animation degree, and the skill sets and techniques, both foundational art-wise and software-wise, that you would use in an animation degree. The graphic design one, also as implied, is more specifically focused on graphic design, both for print and for web media. We use many different softwares to facilitate this. Current contemporary ones that we have access to are, obviously we use Photoshop for everything. It's a foundational skill set and software that is all across the industry. Adobe Illustrator. Most of the Adobe products are used here, Adobe Premiere. We also use 3D software. We have 3D Studio Max. We have access to Maya. We use Blender, which is a free software that you can download at home, and we train partially with this here, so people have a wide range. We use Lightwave, both modeler and layout. We have to pre-visualize all of our work, creating storyboards, creating character sheets, model sheets. We'd like to take our students through the process of creating a character, using the traditional media and skill sets to make the artwork, to map out and generate the content. Take those as guides, bring them into the digital arena, and create the 3D models of their characters, rig them for animation, create an animation of their character, and if they are able to do so in the time the semester allows, and many of them are, you could be one, you print your character on our 3D printer. So you can start with a drawing that shows the beginning part of a character, create the model, and then have a 3D print of that character as well. We have many different courses that make our program a really good foundational step to see what you are already interested in and what you might not have even thought of. There's many different careers you can go into. I don't know if you've noticed, but everywhere is using digital media. It doesn't matter if it's a commercial on the television for a local car insurance company. It could be an effect that you see in film or commercials. It could be for a website. It could be animations that you'll see, banner ads on any website you go to. But digital media is everywhere. One of our animators, who started here many years ago, has moved on through his career in education and is now an animator with Sony. We have other students who are doing graphic design for companies in different states. I have graphic designers that are working locally. I have a student who works at an international company now based out of Kittery. Actually, 2 of our students from digital media are working there. We have internship locations that vary, they'll change, but we all have internship locations. Personally, I've done illustration, graphic design, and animation through various fields and for various purposes in the past before teaching. And one of the common denominators of all of that is, regardless of what industry you do it for or what project you do it for, there are certain steps and certain processes that are the same. You have a client who has a problem they need solved. Whether it's animation or graphic design or game design, whatever that problem may be, they'll come to you, or if you have the opportunity to be the one to solve it, and say, I need to have a product that does this. Now you're faced with that creative challenge. And what we try to do here is teach you the foundational skill sets to know the steps to take to go from the client has a need to you're able to produce a solution. And if you can do that, whether it's 2D, 3D, animated, design, or gaming, whatever your solution may be, we're here to help teach you the steps to get there, so you can be the one providing a solution. And then it doesn't matter whether you're working for a small design firm, whether you're working in a design department for a bigger company that doesn't even do design. Maybe they make roof tiles, but they need someone to be able to advertise it. You might be that person. Or you may be a little boutique design center that can provide 3D models, animation, and graphic design right from your home computer through the internet. There's many different solutions. I hope you'll come talk to us and see what we have to offer, and maybe we can be the answer you're looking for and help you improve your ability to be that creative solution that other people need.